The Indian Study on Health of Adults (ISA) is a prospective cohort study to ascertain the cancer incidence, mortality and mortality due to other chronic diseases. It also determines the complex interplay between genes, lifestyle and environmental factors and the risk of common chronic diseases. It involves collection of data and information of 2.5 lakh participants aged between 30 to 69. This study will cover 365 rural villages and 3 small cities in Barsi, a small town in Maharashtra. The study will be based on initial survey which will be done in 3 phases, that is enumeration, household questionnaire and health camp. The first stage of the ISA study is enumeration. Here, the field surveyors do household survey for getting potential participants for the study. In enumeration, the surveyors visit the field where the team leader first assigns them different houses. Then the surveyors visit individual households from the list of houses assigned to them. The surveyors collects various basic data on different aspects such as household demographic details, common household characteristics, food habits, hospitalization and death history of the family along with their contact details. At the end of the day, all surveyors gather at a common place and sync all the data in team leader's machine. The next stage of ISA study is household questionnaire. Once the enumeration is completed, from the available data, potential participants are selected matching the criteria of the study. This is again an on-field study wherein surveyors physically ask the respondents different questions and takes various other measurements. They also invite the potential participants for the health checkup camp with a formal invitation card. The work in household questionnaire starts with the field visit of the surveyors where the team leader assigns houses along with consent forms. Then the survey team enters the predetermined villages and start visiting different households. After greeting the household member and briefing the purpose of the visit, surveyors start measuring the blood pressure of the concerned respondent. Then the surveyor explains about the consent form and fill it up with the concerned person's signature. Once the respondent signs at the consent form, then the surveyor takes a photo of the respondent with the consent form along with his signature. Then the surveyor collects various data related to tobacco alcohol behavior of the person, personal and family medical history, different physical activities, food habits, etc. Once all data are collected, the surveyor measures the blood pressure of the concerned person once again to get the accurate result with other measurements like waist and hips. Finally, the surveyor gives one invitation card to the participant to attend the health checkup camp. The card will contain details of the health camp with date, time and venue. Then the surveyor thanks the participant for his valuable time and for further participation and leaves for the next household. At the end of the day, all surveyors gather at a common place and sync all data in team leader's machine. There will be further verification of data collected during household questionnaire by random resample and rechecking. Once the household questionnaire is completed, the next stage in ISA study is health camp. This is a setup with various measurements of the potential participants along with some biological samples. When the participants arrive with the given invitation card at the health camp, they'll have to wait if other people are in queue. The participant has to go through 7 different workstations. In each and every workstation, the participant will be welcomed and the surveyor will perform different tests and measurements. At the first workstation, the registration of the participant will be done and the identity will be verified by scanning the individual invitation card. Then the participant will be tied with a barcoded wristband. This has to be there around the wrist of the participant all through the 7 workstations. Then the participant will be directed to the next workstations where the measurements will continue. In the second workstation, the length of the index and ring finger of the participant will be recorded. Along with that, the blood pressure and heart rate will be measured. After that, the arm muscle strength of the participant will also be measured. Arm muscle strength will be measured with a small instrument which the participant needs to squeeze with each of his hands. At the next workstation, the participant's sitting and standing height along with the ratio of the waist and hips will also be measured. This is important for the participant to remove the shoes and any of the bulky clothing before the measurement. At the next workstation, the participant's body fat composition will be measured and recorded. The participant will have to stand barefoot on a machine for the measurement. It is noted that before the test, the participant has to answer 2 important questions to proceed further. The fifth and the most important workstation is spirometry test. This shows how effectively the participant's lungs work. In this workstation, the participant will be blowing through a mouthpiece with full strength into the spirometry machine. This test has to be performed twice to get good results. Before the test starts, the participant has to answer 2-3 important questions to perform the test. The sixth workstation will be the desk for blood and nail sample collection. Here a total of 10 ml of blood and a small bit of nail sample of the participant will be collected. At the last workstation, a health report card with all the measurements of the previous workstations will be given to the participant before he or she leaves the health camp.